Hey everyone, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell notifications, get notified of our latest videos, give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and leave a comment. I do read and appreciate every comment you guys and girls leave behind. I may not reply to them all, but they are all appreciated. And there's a link in the description of the video that takes you to a big long list of all handy videos and a lot of the products I use in my videos. You now have the chance to support the video content creation by using Patreon or the PayPal me link in the description down below. All the videos always remain free to watch. This is just your chance to help support the videos. Okay, stripping chrome from kit parts. That can be bumpers, wheels, handbrakes, gear shifters, everything. They're all chrome plated, and there's usually an easy method to removing the part, and that's by using bleach. For me, this works 90% of the time, every time. It's a simple solution. I use cheap, thick Asda, which is UK Walmart. Cheap, thick bleach. This is like 50 pence a bottle. And I found the cheaper, thicker bleach works better than any. So literally put them in some sort of receptacle. I've got a 60ml Medicine cup here. And pour in the bleach. Make sure it's fully covered. And just watch it remove itself before your eyes. Now this will either take a minute, an hour, a day, or it probably won't work. If it doesn't work, try other methods like oven cleaner. If you're in the States, you use Purple Power. I think Simple Green takes bleach off as well. I found Mr. Hobby leveling thinner will take it off too. But for me, as you can see, quick as anything, the chrome's coming off with the cheap, thick bleach. This is real time, this as well. This isn't sped up. This is literally as it happens. I find to give it a little stir every now and then can help as well. But you're talking, what, 60 to 90 seconds and the chrome is gone. It's that simple, that easy. And like I say, if it doesn't work this quick, give it an hour or two. After that, it's probably not going to work and you have to try different methods. So like I say, try oven cleaner. I think it's Simple Green, Purple Power. I believe Fairy or Power Sprays to take chrome off as well. There's other methods. After that, you're kind of on your own with getting the chrome off. But for me, like I said, 90% of the time, the bleach works every time. It really does. And there you go. There's all the bleach. Done its job. Taken all the chrome off. And we've got nice, clean rims. Everyone likes a clean rim. Ready for primer and then painting whatever colour you choose. So once you've done this, I like to take them out and give them a wash off with some fresh, clean water. So give it a stir around, make sure all the parts are done. We've got some fresh water now. And we're just going to spray off the bleach as much as we can, back and front, and then we'll place it on some kitchen roll. We'll do all four of them and then we'll dry them off. And like I say, you can prime in whatever prime you prefer to use and then paint in the applicable colour. Now I didn't use these wheels, these are just spare ones off my Foosh truck. So these can be used later on a different kit, more than likely. Quite nice wheels, and as I said, the chrome off in what, 90 seconds if that. So you can see the bleach works really, really well. So like I say, make sure you clean it all up, get all the bleach off, try not to handle the bleach if you can. It absolutely does stink. I hate the smell of bleach, it's a nasty smell. Once you've got them off, hosed off, give them a wipe over with a clean bit of kitchen paper, get a cotton bud in there and get any remnants out, and then put them to one side to dry. You might want to give them a rinse again, give them another clean, but just make sure you get all the bleach out of there. Then like I say, prime in your favourite primer and then paint whatever colour you choose to paint. So there we are. Hope you found that useful. I've been asked many times about how to do this, so here we go. That's the way I do it. I've shown it in many videos, but I think it's nice to have a standalone video, and hopefully this will help out people in future.